Welcome back. So we're going to do quite an easy pour today, and I am so sorry that I didn't get a video out for the 7th day. Time just got away from me, it really did. So, and with my health being off and on lately, it's been a bit of a challenge, let's put it that way. So yeah, I'm really sorry I didn't get a video out for that, but we're going to be doing this today. This, I think I'm going to do in Eco Pour, just plain Eco Pour. I'm not going to add any colourants to it or anything. It's a snowman. Isn't that cool? And I've currently got the song, Do You Wanna Build a Snowman, in my head. So I don't want to like sing the full thing because I might get done for copyright, but yeah, that's what I've got going around my head at the moment. So yeah, let me get my Eco Pour done, or mixed up I should say. And we'll get this poured and then we're going to paint it, make a really nice snowman. So give me 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. So, these are pretty much cured. I'm sorry for the noise in the background, my boys are upstairs. So I might end up having a few little assistants with me in a minute. Now, I don't know how easy these are going to be to unmould, so just bear with me. Sorry about that guys, my eldest was shouting, as toddlers do. We've nearly got this unmoulded. Slowly, I think I might just do it from this end. And then, there we go. It looks fantastic. Look at him. It's quite heavy too. So that's him demoulded. Let's get his body demoulded next. Again, I don't know how easy or hard this is going to be, but we'll see. I'll go from this end, I think. It's still quite warm. It's literally just finished curing. Okay, we're getting there, And there's the body. Right. I'm sorry about all the posing, guys. It's a bit hectic here. So that's the body and head, and this is how it goes on, like that. Isn't it cute? Now, he's not completely cured yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave him. There's a big bubble there. I'll fix that later. I'm going to let this cure, and then we'll come back and we'll start painting all his features and his hat and his body and everything. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit guys. Continue with this snowman, I have something to apologise for. So I got this wrong when I said that these birds come to the UK. It's not these birds, it's another bird. These birds are cardinals. They are in the United States, not in the UK. The ones that I was originally thinking of, and I don't know how I got these birds mixed up, but waxwings are the ones that I was thinking of, not the cardinal. I don't know how I got these birds and the waxwings mixed up. My brain has been everywhere at the moment because I have not been well, so please forgive me for getting those wrong, the wrong way around. So I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry for the misinformation. But yeah, the birds I was thinking of were the waxwings, not the cardinals. Yeah, so I just wanted to clear that up before we kept on doing this. So thank you for listening, and again, I'm sorry for the misinformation. Let's get back to this snowman.
Snow is falling softly on the window pane, candles glowing warm against the winter rain. Laughter in the kitchen, stories being told. This time of year never gets old. And every little moment feels like magic in the air, 'cause Christmas means the most when all the ones we love are there. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Cookies on the table, stockings hung in place, little feet are racing in a happy holiday chase, wrapping up the presents, hiding them away, saving all our secrets for Christmas Day. And even if the world outside is cold and snowy white, our home is full of warmth that makes the season feel just right. So gather round the tree tonight, hearts shining like the Christmas lights, holding on to memories, the kind that set our spirits free. With every hug, with every smile, we make it Christmas time worthwhile. Oh, nothing feels as sweet or fine as family at Christmas time. Years go by and seasons change, but our love will stay the same. No matter where life leads us to, Christmas brings me home to you. So gather round the tree tonight, let love be our guiding light. Here together, hand in hand, the greatest gift in all the land. Through every laugh and every tear, I'm grateful for this time of year, 'cause nothing shines as pure, divine as family at Christmas time.
And that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed watching. Subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. It really does mean a lot to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider doing so. It is only a click away. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye now.